Hey y'all, it's your girl JJC and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're already a subscriber, and if you already are, then you're amazing. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And if you're new, then definitely click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and keep a girl motivated. Like, come through, honey. Let's learn a new dance move. Okay, but before we get into that, let me just talk about the breakdown, the look. You know what I'm saying? So this is all my hair, all out, in like a little cute little pony thing, half up. It's not even half, it's like a quarter up. And then earrings is by Sass Avenue, sassavenue.com. This mesh kind of bra thing is from Forever 21. And it's pretty see-through, so I wore like a black bra like under it. Just try to cover up, These tights are from Nike and they've been out for a good while. Okay, anyways, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys a dance move and it's called Willie Bounce. Okay, so if you're interested in learning how to do the Willie Bounce, then definitely stick around. For my dance videos, my dance tutorials, I always suggest that you guys warm up. Warming up is just very important and it's very helpful for you, especially if you've never danced before, or even if you are a trained, experienced dancer. It's important to stretch because you don't want to be in pain the next day. This move does consist of full body movement and it does have a little bit of levels, okay? Like a little bit of like this. Kind of semi-squatting. It's got arm movements and it's got some leg, foot movements as well. Okay, so warm up, do what you gotta do to like warm these parts up. Okay, you can be creative with your stretching regimen, but stretching should not be painful by any means, unless you have a part that's super stiff that you really need to like stretch very well. Okay, so just general stretching, jumping jacks like I usually do to get the blood flowing, right? Range of motions, things like that. I like jogging spot too. What do they call these? Keep ups or something? Soccer? So do that for like a good 5 minutes, doing an assortment of stretches and getting the heart pumping and going. Okay, so right arm, right leg. Right leg is going out to your side. Right arm is going to your left shoulder, just bending. Okay, so it's like a diagonal line here. Boom. Boom. Lean and hit. Okay? So your knee is going to kind of bend as you're pulling down. Okay? Boom. Lean to the other side. And then you're pulling your arm in. Willie bounce. Okay, so you remember you're gonna tap like your foot on the floor like this. Boom, boom, boom. Willie bounce. So it goes like this. Okay, so the arms are just, one is dropping down, other is coming up. Boom, down, boom, down. Okay, so your foot is just lifting. It's just tapping the floor. As soon as you pull it down, it's like tap, then tap, tap. And then you kind of catch the rhythm. Okay, so when you hear the song, or you hear a song that you could do it to, hit on the beat. Okay, boom. Willie bounce, Willie bounce, Willie bounce, Willie bounce. It's a really fun move and it looks cool. I personally really like this move. Alright y'all, so there you have it. You just learned how to do the Willie Bounce. I hope you guys had fun. I hope you enjoyed it. This one might be a little tricky, okay, to be honest, because there is quite a bit of coordination. But definitely just take your time and practice and watch it as many times as you need, because I try to break it down and I show you guys like a little freestyle with it, so to actually see like how it really is going, you know, to the beat. Okay, so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And definitely check out like my other videos, my other dance tutorials. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at Miss Jenny JC, website jjc.com. And yes, so have fun with it, you guys. Don't be so hard on yourself. You know, dancing does take practice, and it does take time, and it takes commitment, it takes energy. It takes quite a few things, but it's one little step at a time, okay? So don't be so hard on yourself. And yes, I look forward to the next one. So I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you on the next one. It's your girl JJC, repping JJC.com. Toodles!